Breathing, eating, sleeping, and drinking are the 4 basic needs of all living things, and we know that no one can live without them. But what would exactly happen if someone doesn't have access to sleep, or even air, and eating and drinking? Be with us to see the results. Hello there my friends, how's it going? In this video we're gonna find out how long a human can survive without the 4 basic needs of living, which are breathing, eating, sleeping, and drinking. So let's go, let's go! We'll start with the most important and the most effective need for us to live: breathing. Without oxygen, every part, every organ of every creature will stop working. In our body system, oxygen is transported by blood in our veins and reaches all the cells in our body. Now what happens if you stop breathing? After 5 minutes of stopping up breathing, you'll pass out due to the lack of oxygen to the brain. And after 10 minutes, all the cells in your body will die and you'll go to the upstairs. So that's not a good thing. The second one is drinking. Water is like fuel for our body. And what happens if a car doesn't have fuel? It'll turn off. Precisely. But you can turn on the car on again with the fuel, but not humans. Well, that's obvious. Without water, depending on the human body, we can survive for 3 to 5 days. And after that, we have to get ready to go upstairs. It means you'll die. They already know it. Don't you? The third one is sleeping. Not having enough sleep doesn't seem like a big problem.
But it is huge.
Yeah, I'm actually the result of not sleeping enough. Yeah, you are, unfortunately. Not sleeping enough has a lot of damage to the body, especially the brain and the eyes. After 2 days of not sleeping, you will feel so tired. And after 3 or 4 days, you may lose an eye or 2. It depends on how you use them during the not sleeping period. But this is most likely to lose both of them. After 5 or 6 days, your brain won't work properly and you'll be hallucinating, delusional. So you will lose your mind. Yeah, kinda. And after 7 to 10 days of not sleeping enough, or better say not sleeping at all, well, although some people can stay awake for more than a month with using drugs and stuff, but in the normal situation, this is what happens. The 4th basic need is food. We need to eat if we want to live. Food provides us the energy that we need. This energy is transported by blood in our veins and reaches all the cells in our body. It's the same with oxygen. Yeah, it is. Good point. Our cells will work properly after receiving the energy that is, we can say, extracted from the food. And this repeating process is one of the reasons that we can stay alive, we can live, and we can survive. And without it, well, our body can survive for more than 2 months. It means 60 days. So it's the longest time that a human can survive without one of the 4 basic needs to live. 10 minutes without breathing, 5 days without drinking, 10 days without sleeping, and 60 days without eating. These are the longest times that you can survive without the 4 basic needs of living. So take fresh air, drink clean water, eat healthy food, and have enough sleep to have a long, happy life. So... Yeah, I do all of that. No, you don't. Yes, I do. No, you don't. You can't even eat or drink, and you can't even breathe, and you won't let me sleep by bothering me at night. So if I'm the reason of your lack of sleep, and I'm also the result of your lack of sleep, so I'm technically the reason of me. Here we go again. Never mind. If you like this kind of content, if you're interested in science, history, or educational content, please don't forget to subscribe to ATERDAT channel. And don't forget to like, share, and comments to support us. Till the next video, goodbye. Come here, you.